The train now standing at platform 7 is the 1736 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowdon, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1750 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now approaching platform 9 terminates here. Calling at Stepford Victoria only. This train is formed of 4 coaches. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now approaching platform 12 terminates here.